Hi, I'm Aurora, and I'm a part of the Forex Strategies Resources team. In this video, I explain step by step Projections Future by Janus Trader. The version I use has been viewed by Janus Trader and you can download it free. I leave you the link below in the description. All versions of the strategy can follow the principles I will show. I illustrate the composition of the template in the image below. The first thing to do is to analyze the currency pair's long trend period because it gives us the direction to follow in which we will open the trades. For example, if I want to trade on EUR USD for H, I open the chart of EUR USD time frame daily and I notice that the main trend is upwards. So I go on the 4H time frame and I only take into consideration the trades in the buy. What are the conditions that validate a buy arrow in 4H? Buy arrow. Future prediction grade 0. Future MACD histogram must path upwards. Candle above moving average 13 period. In the EUR USD 4H figure I show, there are two entrances to the market with all the conditions met. Example NZD CAD chart daily direction uptrend. In NZD CAD for each time frame only buy. For each two trades buy with respective conditions. From this example, we can deduce how the system works in trend to make profit, but wait for there to be an alignment of two time frames. In these cases, daily and for each. In this way, the noise is reduced and the profitability is increased. Now I show the exit from the position, the stop loss and the profit target. Enter the stop loss below, above the previous high, low swing as in the example. In the GBP JPY example, we see the position of the stop losses above and below the swings. Profit can have multiple options. Fixed stop loss ratio. For example, I'm loss equal 50 pips, PT equals 70. Important level on the chart. Divide the sides by 2, 3, 4 or 5 and match the same number of objectives. Example, my size is 0.1. I divide by 2. I get 5 by 0.02 microlots. My objectives will be 5 TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5. The initial size can be divided by the units you prefer. Please subscribe, like and share this video.